Today we will propagate this plant that looks like tails of foxes. Look, it has new leaves. There's a berry, but that's toxic, not to be eaten. To propagate, first remove the plant from the pot. By doing this, we will be able to see the roots and the soil clearly. See, the roots are already hugging the soil and occupying all the space they can. Then, look for gaps or a space at the base of the plant where you can divide. Here's one. We can cut here. Slice through the soil first to separate the roots. We do not want to cut or hurt the roots, so we can be sure that the plant will not die. I normally use a stick whenever I propagate my plants. Then, cut the base of the plant where you are dividing carefully. We do not want to cut a leaf as much as possible. We are using a stick again to untangle the roots. Pull gently. Notice that each base has its own roots. Then repot your plants and fill with soil. Lastly, water your new plants.